Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Your Mikey Giza is back with another episode of Lesson. Okay. Sorry, guys, about my voice. Actually, I'm not really feeling that much okay, so that's why I had to. I dropped this video indoors. I I was hoping to make this video since yesterday, but I wasn't feeling that strong, so I decided to do it today. So I believe it. Thank God I'm getting more better. Okay. So I just decided to drop this little video so that you guys can still work on. Okay. You guys still work on. So I have a lot of lesson I'm gonna do that will help and benefit each and every one of you, and also enhance your playing as well. Okay. So for today, I'm going to show you just 2 licks that you can apply in your worship section, okay, to sound more better and sounds more good, okay. So if you're the first time watching my video, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel, okay, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video on this channel. Okay, guys. If you like the video, you can drop a thumbs up, okay. If you have any challenges, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you want a one-on-one lesson, you can hit me on my WhatsApp number on the screen there. Okay? Alright, guys. So I'm not going to waste much of the time because I just want to make it a little short video that you guys can work on. Okay? 2 licks you can apply in your worship section. Just a little simple licks you can apply. Okay? Okay. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to do this lesson in the key of the E. In the key of E. So many of you that don't know the key of E, I think you're going to know it today, where the roots are. Okay, this is the key of E. Okay. Okay. That is the key of E. Okay. Okay. That is the key of E. Key of E. That is the key of E. That is the key of E. That is the key of E. Okay. So the first lick I'm going to show you in this position here. Okay. On this position here. The first lick is you can apply that maybe when you are coming to your 1 note, okay? You can apply that when you are coming to your 1 note. So I'm going to bring this close now so you can see my fingers, what I just played there, okay? So what I played there was do, so, do, re, so, mi, so, do, re, so, mi. Okay, so do, re, so, mi, do, so, fa, mi, do. Okay, do, so, fa, mi, do. But I slide to the mi from the mo, mi, do. Okay, slide from the. That sounds more better and that sounds good as well. So if it sounds good, hit on the like button, okay? Hit on the like button and subscribe if you've not subscribed, okay? So this is how it sounds. Okay. Okay, so the number 2 licks I'm going to show you there is very simple, and I believe maybe most of you might have know the lick already, but it's very simple. Okay, so it's like this. Okay. Okay. So So I think that sounds more better and interesting as well. So it's just for you to practice that and work that. Okay, you can apply them whenever maybe improvising on the worship section. Okay, so it's very simple, and this is what I'm playing. Mi fa sol, mi fa sol, mi do. Slide to the mi do, mi fa sol, mi do, ti do re, ti do re, ti do re. Okay, ti do re, ti sol. Okay. Can still play that stuff. Okay, you can still play the solver that the solver mi do. Okay, the thing I played on the first one. Okay, it's very simple. So I want you to work on that. Okay, work on that and see how you can apply them in your worship song. Okay, it's gonna sound better and sound good as well. Okay. So I want you to subscribe, okay, to this channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video. Okay, so if you like the video, hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any challenges. Okay, I'll get back to you and keep working out. Okay, I'm gonna drop more good videos on the next videos. Okay, so stay tuned and watch the video to the end. All right, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.